Hi, day 49 of married life. Today is one of those simple days folding clothes, cooking, and taking care of our little home. And you know what I really appreciate about living here in the US? The laundry is so easy. Everything is automatic. Put the clothes in, press a few buttons, and about an hour later, it's done. Back in the Philippines, doing laundry can feel like a whole workout. So every time I use this washing machine, I'm like, heaven. Thank you, technology. And I just want to share that I work in Hong Kong. And luckily, living there in Hong Kong for 1 year and 4 months helped me a lot. I mean, it wasn't easy experience, but I learned so many things. I learned about shopping, managing a household, choosing ingredients, preparing food, and this one especially cooking. And then there's our kitchen. I really enjoy cooking here because everything is so convenient. We have an electric stove and I can prepare food comfortably without worrying about cooking over a traditional stove. And thankfully, our electricity bill isn't too crazy. Unlike in Philippines. So I can actually enjoy using the kitchen and cooking more often. Alright, so today I'm making picadillo, boiled eggs, and using our leftover dumplings. And honestly, I'm lucky because my husband appreciates Filipino and Chinese food. That makes me happy because I love preparing food for the people I love. But here's something funny. I wasn't always a good cook. Before, I was so focused on working to earn money. I would often think, why cook when I can just buy food, right? But everything changed when I worked in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I live and work in Hong Kong for a long time. But anyway, I've learned about different Chinese culture and Hong Kong dishes. So maybe I wasn't working there for a long time because maybe I wasn't good enough for cooking. Just kidding. But honestly, I have no regrets. So here we go. I'm eating now our delicious meal. Let's eat. Additionally, that chapter of my life in Hong Kong taught me skills that I still use today. Now I actually enjoy preparing meals for my husband, and sometimes I think about how different my life is now. I have more time enjoying cooking, taking care of our home, and sharing meals with my partner. And I realized that being a homemaker is also a learning experience. You learn how to manage your time, your home, your food, and your partnership or your relationship. And look at this. I'm eating picadillo, boiled eggs, and leftover dumplings. So delicious. Nothing fancy today, but it's homemade, it's comforting, and most importantly, my husband loves it and enjoys it. Sometimes happiness really is found in these simple things. So today's takeaway is never underestimate the value of the skills you learn during difficult seasons. Sometimes you learned years ago might become useful in a completely different chapter of your life. My Hong Kong experience wasn't really perfect, but it gave me skills that I'm grateful for today. From working as a domestic helper in Hong Kong to preparing meals for my husband in the US, life really has a funny way of connecting the chapters together. And maybe that's what marriage is also about learning, adjusting, helping each other, and enjoying the simple things together. So, thank you for spending another day with us. What household skill did you learn that you never thought you need? Could you tell me in the comments? And don't forget to like, comment, suggest, and subscribe for more of our married life journey. I just want to spread love and enjoyment and positivity. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit. Yummy, yummy. I hope you're good. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.